someone you already talked to now knows someone or they're doing it themselves. They just don't know that you're in the business. And the reason why they don't know is because you're too afraid to tell people what you do. Welcome back, Hustle Family. Today, I'm giving you guys a seed to plant. It's up to you to plant it and water it so you can grow your multi-billion-dollar business. Ooh. If not, then nothing lost.
Yep.
Anyway.
What's that saying? You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it
drink it. Teach a man how to fish, but you
Ooh.
can't guarantee they're going to fish.
I was like, oh, you dropping Robert? Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
You know, that's how we do it. So today I'm going to teach you guys on how to get your first loan. So if you're a new loan officer, this video is going to help you tremendously. If you're new to real estate, this video is going to help you tremendously. So, referrals. The people you know will get you your first deal. I guarantee it. Someone in your circle is looking to buy a house, looking to sell a house.
Or know someone who's looking to do those things.
Give me a 5. Exactly. Someone you already talked to now knows someone or they're doing it themselves. They just don't know that you're in the business. And the reason why they don't know is because you're too afraid to tell people what you do. You have to let the world know. Yell it. On Facebook, everyone should know you are a realtor, you are a loan officer, you are an insurance broker, you're a fitness coach. Whatever you do, they should know. Now, the thing that most people get confused is they do too many things at once. And they don't know that you're in it because you do 100 other things. So focus on that one thing that you want to be known for. I'm known for loan officers, as a loan officer, and for flipping houses. Those are the only 2 things.
And yes. Always talk about it.
Exactly.
Do not feel like you're boasting. Do not
feel
try to be
ashamed.
shameful. Just put yourself out there to everyone that you're around. Let them know this is what you do. Let them know that you're passionate about what you do. Say
it proudly. Put your chest up. Put your voice deep. I do loans. I sell houses. I fix houses.
Don't tell them it like that.
Please don't tell them like that. But you can't be afraid. You have to be passionate about it. You see how excited I get when I'm talking about flipping houses, talking about things? Yes, we own Airbnbs. Yes, we have a cleaning company. Yes, we have insurance. Well, Giselle focuses on insurance. I don't really focus on it. But you see what I'm getting at? Just because you have multiple businesses don't mean everyone needs to know about all your businesses.
Exactly.
Focus on that one thing, on the 2 things you want to be known for, so when they come up, they think of you. My clients, whether it's buying a house, anything, they think of me for everything. Insurance, because they know Malcolm knows someone or he knows people who can help him. You get it? Because I'm known for about real estate. They know me for that. Like, think of real estate, I want you to see my face. And the reason why is because I'm not afraid to put it on my TikTok, put it on my YouTube, talk about it when I'm outside, wear shirts that say, I'm a loan officer, I'm a licensed loan officer, feed me. Stuff like that, like creative.
Feed me.
Yeah, feed me. I'm a licensed loan officer. I'll help you, you feed me. Things like that. And it's funny, but it gets me business. And this is how you get your first deal. I'm telling you, what you need to do. I wasn't going to drop this, show. I don't know. Should we cut the video or should I keep giving it?
No, drop that.
Drop it? All right. What you need to do is go in your phone book right now. All the names. I don't care if you haven't spoken to them in 20 years. Call every single number you have in your phone book.
And if they don't answer, leave a voicemail and send a text message.
Exactly. It's going to help you for 2 reasons. The number's disconnected. You can delete it because you shouldn't have the number anymore because you don't know them. And 2, if you speak with them and say, hey, I haven't spoken to you in a while. How are things? Just quick catch up. I just wanted to let you know I'm in real estate. If you know anyone who's interested in buying a house or if you're interested, please, I'll be more than happy to help you. Blah, blah, blah. Just give them a quick update. You don't have to be long. It's not a hard sell. Just reintroducing yourself, reminding them who you are, talking with them, catching up. Drop a little bit. Hey, I'm in this business. If you know anyone, boom. I'll be more than willing to give you a free market update to talk to you about your goals. Oh, you're thinking about buying a house? You don't know how? Let me sit with you and we can catch up over some coffee. And then the key is to treat them, though. Don't make them pay for that coffee. It's $5. Come on. They're going to get you.
You have to invest in yourself, because if you won't invest in yourself, no one else will.
Exactly. And the amount of marketing that's going to do versus Facebook and stuff is going to be a lot cheaper, and you get higher quality leads. And this is how you get your first deal. I'm telling you, this is the way. Referrals and call the people in your phone book. And like Giselle said, if they don't... Giselle dropping bombs. Stay relevant. And like she said, if they don't pick up, leave a voice message. and send them a text message. That's it. And you already have people in there. You already know who can give you business. Why are you looking anywhere else? This is the best thing you need to do to start your business. And this works for any business, not just real estate. This is any business that you're doing. And this is how you create success. And it also helps you get out your comfort zone of being afraid to talk to people, because now you're forcing yourself to talk to people. Call 10 people a day. That's it. Well, how many numbers do you have? Equates to how many people you know. Equates to how much money you want in your bank account. Woo! All right.
I like it.
That's it. That's enough, Jarvis. Over and out.